Oh my God. Oakley?
To my friend!
Oh, Oakley! Bye-bye, Oakley.
Oh my God, Oakley!
Oakley?
Oh my God, this is a very expensive shades. Holy shoot!
Don!
Oh. It's a Sunday, very hot Sunday, Wailigo Sunday. Yeah, si Mami nagtanaw og Barcelona. Si Rusty playing Fortnite. My little girl, gubot kayo ang balay ron. Nagdungag ni na saging. The other kid is inside the room playing also Fortnite.
I'm here.
How about you? What are you doing?
I'm watching.
You're watching. Ako ga-edit. Alright.
Wait, Daddy, you just did already delete the spicy noodle. No.
Spicy noodle challenge?
Yeah! I really want to watch that because I didn't watch that.
I accidentally deleted it. Smile na siya yung pangag. Bitokbitok and there's Bernie Bitok too.
Yeah,
Huh? Doon na? Who is Bitokbitok? You?
No, Kuya.
Bernie Bitok to ka.
Yeah.
Bitokbitok is Kuya.
Yeah.
Where's Kuya now?
Yeah, because Bernie beat up too. Right here.
Magkwanta ginamos. And the other one is here. So who's Bitokbitok and who's Bernie Bitok to?
Bitokbitok is me. Bernie Bitokto is River.
So, karon tagtaon mag-picture na ko sa mga t-shirt na ako ibaligya para sa brigada. Kaya na ko itabangan na school.
A few moments later.
Movie marathon, John Lloyd and Sarah Hieronimo. Still eh. So, akong baby girl, naligo. Ito si Libon. Wow! I saw you. What are you doing there?
Daddy.
You have a swimming pool there? Oh, like a boss. Still playing. Pila lang kadlaw. Balay naman migbalay mo ng kalat kay ang balay ron kay mahina na panghipos.
Tomorrow.
You just let us diapers. Nope.
Is that it?
Yeah. Okay, let's start the video. Yes! Let's do this!
And we got it's meal time.
Can we see me in the
Hi guys. That's it.
I'll stay here then. I'll stay here too? Careful with
So ang akong auntie, ikson sa akong papa nagpadala para sa moa. Salamat auntie. So from the States.
What do you call the sister of the grandpa?
That's your
auntie.
Great auntie?
Auntie.
great aunt.
Okay.
So first, of course, klaro kayo.
Towel.
Towel. We got a lot of
Why
towel.
there's 5? Mine's the purple, Daddy. Daddy, mine's the purple.
May towel, yes.
Can I hug it? I wanna hug it.
Oh, that's good.
Lahir ginang kanang kuan no kanang baho sa
That
kuan.
means... Oh, it smells so
nice.
good.
Wow, it smells like
That's
diapers.
so nice.
Yeah, it smells like diapers.
It smells like diapers.
One,
I wanna hug
Wow!
two,
Wow!
three.
Wow.
Wow, so many towels.
It doesn't even smell like
My favorite color. I want...
Four,
I really like this.
then five. The bags! Oh my God!
Yeah!
Actually, nami friend na napapalit mi og Jansport. Di mi makapalit. Mo di ay kay kasi padala mi Jansport. So this is good for school. This is for Ella. I'm sure
Yeah.
this is pink.
That's Ravers.
Muna akong, this is my dream bag when I was still in high school. To have a Jansport bag.
Oh, I thought you meant like a girlish bag.
No, Jansport bag.
This is mine. So is this we're gonna put our
Ella.
extra stuff or our books?
It's original. Oh, look, oh, the zipper. It's like original siya. Kanina nakapit ng JS.
JS. What is JS?
JS is Jansport.
Jansport. What does that mean?
Look, Ravers.
And what's the other one?
Yeah, this is mine.
Rusty.
Is it
Wow.
yours or I have man the old one man?
I want this one. This one just like better.
And there's something inside. I think it's daddy's papa's one items. Papa man used this actually. He said, Papa, your flashlight is here.
Black light.
And your
Bucky. What's that?
Bucky.
It's a knife!
Oh my god, ninja gadget.
Wait, my thing
It's
is
a ninja gadget, Daddy.
Mine has like triple.
This one is another expensive bag. I know because it's a Swiss
It
gear.
is called Swiss gear.
It's nice. So laptop. I think I'm gonna use this.
No,
My
that's
Jansport will be my old Jansport. You will be the one using it.
no.
Nice, huh?
This is my bag.
Oh my god, it's so pretty.
This is my bag. Okay, next
All right,
one.
here's the stuff. Oh my god!
I'm
Okay,
scared.
first one. What's that? What's that?
First,
What's this? Oh, it's on the next
oh
one.
my god, it's a toy! Wait, it's a Barbie! This is for River! Why are you laughing? Oh my god, look at the
It
living.
looks old.
Yeah, it looks like they just packed it
This is
up.
the closet!
It's this. Oh.
Open sesame.
I bet Ella
Ah.
Open
Get the
sesame!
doll out.
There's a lot of dogs.
Look at that's mine, babe. I want this one. It's my favorite. wow!
Oh, there's a comb.
Cool! Oh, it's a key comb.
Yeah. Oh, there's a shoes.
Hi, guys. Look at that! It's a key comb!
Oh, there's a lot of dress. Nice.
Si Ella ba? You know ba, yeah? Ella, she doesn't put back her dress.
He just makes her doll naked.
Yeah, like this. She makes it naked.
Yeah, no. You can try it.
That is for
All
the
kids are like
necklace.
that.
I thought it was a necklace.
All right, perfect.
Literally just
Ella.
Give it to me. These are the collections of...
Another bag for
a mini bag.
Oh.
It's your new Did It bag.
Didi bag.
Wait, what's inside? There's something inside. No, here.
There's a comb.
My comb, yes!
Comb.
Oh my god! What's in there?
Oh, Ella, what
There's another toy.
Oh, that's a shoe.
That's a shoe.
It's so big.
Wait, is there gonna be a giant doll?
Wait, no, no.
There's this another toy.
There's a.
Another toy.
What is
And there's a lot of toys.
Oh my god. Oh no. This is literally everything in their house. You just gave away all of the toys to us.
Wait, I want to be here.
There's another. Oh,
It's for
another,
the doll.
another toy.
This video is all for
Not
Ella.
sponsored by Barbie.
Another toy.
Is that what?
Oh, what? Huh?
Oh, is this a remote?
I think so.
What's this? What is this? Oh my god, what's this? This is a
Remote.
Oh my god, yeah!
It's a remote control.
There's this type of ball.
Then wait, this is to
Mommy.
Mommy, to
Mommy.
Ling Ling.
Wow. Oh, it's a nice
A
bag.
new purse.
A new
Yeah.
purse again.
Mommy,
Purse?
one might
What's a
probably not
purse?
use.
West.
What?
9 West.
What's that?
Mommy, one might probably
Oh,
not use it.
nice. 9 West. Nice, mommy. Mommy. Try it, mommy. Nice. What's this?
Original kay Homo.
Original, no? Bailan ni mo, no? Bailan ni, my God. Bailan ni mo ang original kay Humok, my gala.
Oh, there's a
Ang
basket.
states good. Loy.
Why
Oh,
there's a
oh my God, there's a
basket?
$50,000.
Yeah.
Is there a price? $65.
Whoa!
It's over like 1,000 or over 1,000.
It's over 2,000.
What?
Because I remember buying that game, it cost about $2,040.
Here.
This
Hello,
is for,
Birdie.
it's another $96. It's worth $5,000. Oh my God. Oh my, Oakley?
To my friend!
Oh, Oakley. Bye-bye, Oakley.
Oh my God, Oakley!
Oakley.
Oh
So.
my God, this is a very expensive shades. Holy shoot!
Don! Let me see!
Oh, laan na sa Dena.
It's an original.
Oh.
Okay.
Mommy's comment is always negative. After, Ella, gubaon na sad na. Tapos ko na after my chat, sige, walaan na sad na. Mommy knows us.
Very
Mommy
well,
knows us.
very well.
Very well. Oh my, oh my God, oh my God,
So this only
first
so there's
time to
nothing-
have an original Oakley shades
This is
from
very.
the States, promise. Oh my God, oh my God. Woo! Oh my God, wait, to turn up the lights.
Why?
It's dark. Who turned up the light?
Me.
Huh? What happened? Why is it dark?
I think there's a switch.
I like this toy. You just have to
love
adjust.
this. Oh my God. Oh my God, I love this.
So is this only for you?
May ilan
Mommy,
nimong original
and
sa do
Ella,
kayo
and
ang
one for
prim
me and
bagahi,
Kuya?
oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Di maba, oh
But
my
we only
God.
have bags.
Yeah, man.
What?
Oh my God, I have an original Oakley
Give me that.
sheets.
We can. You just drop it, Ella.
More, there's more.
More.
Oh my God, tissue.
Oh, I know. I don't like.
It's Ole. Ole.
Yeah.
Ole.
Ole, yes, it's time to go home. You have Ole na.
Ole!
Ole, 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 ole.
It's more.
Ziploc.
The Ziploc.
Oh, Ziploc.
Yeah, but made in the US. You know, Philippines love any product stuff from the US.
Oh, sorry.
It's nice.
It's our favorite.
Oh my God! Oh my God, it's a Ziploc! It's amazing.
Oh, reusable.
Oh, those kind of
like gloves.
Oh, not the picky. Oh, nice.
Oh! This is the kitchen!
And there's more for mommy.
I thought.
Oh, mommy also has a shade. Guess. Guess it.
Yes,
I know. Guess what is inside. Wait, so don't open it. Guess what's inside. Shades.
Mommy. Mommy, will you marry me? Hala, mommy! Hala! Hala, madam!
Saan? Mawala.
Tita B! Ha! Tita B in the place to be. Buwapa ko diri, ligwata ko B. Oh my God, madam. Hey, this is for you. Wow, Madam Dami.
The whole price.
Shopkins!
What's that?
Shopkins!
What's Shopkins?
We're old already.
Shopkins!
Alright, that's it. Wow, thank you, titas, for this US products. I love it. Thank you for the Oakley. My first time to have an
I
Oakley.
didn't know this!
Wow, I like this. I like this though.
I don't like.
It's milk time. One, two, three, four, five, six. One,
Wait!
four, five, isa. Then takuri nga social. Grab it, baby. That's it. Perfect. Sa akong auntie diha, Auntie Cecil, we miss you. Thank you very much. Nag-enjoy me. Thank you very much. First time na nakoy Oakley nga original. Thank you, te. Love you. Ingat diha ang imong health. Thank you. Oh.
Daddy, there's one thing about this. I thought that we need to put in the batteries, but there's already batteries inside. We just forgot to turn it on.
Okay. Good job, Ella. Say thank you, Tita.
Thank you. Thank you.